Come and join us today at Wyndham Orlando International Drive. We're going to do a quick tour of the rooms and the property.
Today we're at Wyndham Hotel.
Yes.
We're going to show you around our new hotel that we can get to stay for 2 days.
We're going to show you what all there is kind of close by, and we're going to kind of take you on a tour around the property.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
And we're going to swim in the pool.
And a big thank you to Wyndham for hosting us for these 2 nights. I'm going to do the best I can to show you all around. And keep an eye out for deals on their website. I saw they had a 72-hour flash sale, so they may do this at different times. And we did have an upstairs floor. The first room we actually walked into was one of the bunk bed rooms, but it does connect to a junior executive suite. The first room has a 32-inch TV, but the suite is much bigger. Wow. Okay.
I know when I walked in, I was like, what?
Okay.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
That's our double.
Well, this is really nice. I like it.
Living room. This is fit for like a whole family.
It is. It's so nice. Yeah. Are you excited?
I love the bunk bed because it's like plain white. I like plain white.
The mini fridge has a little freezer section at the top. There's a Keurig machine, sink, and some space on the counter. They only have 1 microwave though, so if you have any leftovers, you have to go to the lobby, and I'll show that later. And of course, you still have your same amenities: an ironing board, some hangers, and they have a hair dryer in the bathroom.
Hey guys, we're gonna show you our new apartment. Well, just for 2 days.
It's a hotel.
Yep, it's kind of like a hotel, kind of like apartment.
Okay.
Okay, so here's this soft, very soft bed for me and my lovers. And this is, okay, the top bunk is mine. This one is mine. I have a plushie up here I really like. Great TV.
Okay.
And here's a chair you can just lay in all day. It's so soft and yummy. Let's go like past the living room. And then here's like some spinny chairs. And this, I guess, dinner plate. And there's a beautiful globe in here. And here's our living room couch, our good TV. And over here, this is, I'm gonna make it my drawing desk and or writing. Another bed. And come here. Look, it's a bathroom.
The bathroom. Yay.
Yeah, it
toilet.
one. It looks different.
Okay, show me the other one.
Up here. Totally the same.
The same? Does it look the same?
And here's another
does actually
beautiful
look the same.
bathroom.
It does look the same.
And over here, here's our kitchen.
I absolutely love how spacious these rooms are, and even if you need something a little smaller, the prices are reasonable. And the smaller rooms, like the bunk bed rooms, also have the same amenities like the refrigerator, the coffee maker, hair dryer, and iron. And one of the other really big perks is being so close to everything. Being on International Drive, you are literally just a couple of minutes away from Icon Park. There's a Dave & Buster's, a bunch of different restaurants. Like here in the Point, we actually went to this place called JoJo's. I'll show that in another short video, but their shakes were amazing. Highly recommend going there, and super close to the hotel. I'm going to do a video coming up soon of all the things to do on International Drive, so if you stay at this hotel, then you can do all of these things just really close by. I'm going to show one restaurant that's literally right across from the hotel, and they have some really good pizza. They are known for their deep dish pizza, so we had to get it while we were close by. I just really like the convenience and location of the hotel because you're so close to so many different and unique restaurants and attractions, as well as theme parks. We're gonna go on a little tour, Jack and I, after we eat, but I noticed the 2 days that we were there, the hotel was super quiet. And I do plan on exploring more of the restaurant options to give you guys some more ideas, but oh man, the cheese was cheesy. We just got the kids the deep dish cheese pizza, and then Rick and I shared their classic one, which was basically like a supreme pizza. And in the rooms, it's nice you have a mini fridge. You can put it in and either eat cold pizza later or go to the lobby and heat it up. Definitely a good choice for pizza close by, or there's a bunch of restaurants over at Icon Park as well. Next up, let's take a tour of the property. There's the lobby over here. I'm actually going to show you how fast you can walk to Wawa. We're in building 13 here, which is right next to the lobby. We have a view of the actual conference center. So, but if you get a view over here, it would be really pretty with the lake.
Yeah.
Right, buddy?
Hey, follow me, Mom.
Okay. Also, I wanted to mention that it was super easy to get checked in. It literally only took about 5 minutes, and they gave us a huge book of just coupons for things around the area. And for those wondering, there is a $50 hold on the card, but it does drop off a couple days after you check out. The resort really is perfect for families. There's everything you could need here. So it was starting to get dark out, but I wanted to find the pool. I like how easy it is to find everything. And the little streams are nice. And I looked on the website because we were hosted. I looked at the website and the nights are only about 100 to 140 a night, which isn't bad at all. It's pretty. You can see the wheel from here, which we are doing a video on the wheel and Museum of Illusions at Icon Park. And actually, it's quicker to walk probably this way to Wawa, which is right here. They have, you know, you can get your coffee, breakfast sandwiches, snacks, drinks.
Look at this.
So that's really nice. Oh, gazebo? It is a pretty property. It's nice to walk around out here. Oh, and I see hibiscus, my favorite. And there's a starflower too. That's pretty cool. You can see Icon Park. There's a pool over there. Oh, buddy.
Look down.
Look down. Yeah. Just some water. So obviously you cannot jump in this water and do not feed the wildlife. See the moon out right now.
Mom. Okay.
Okay. I see the pool this way. So they have 2 pools on property, which I will show, as well as a hot tub. One is a little bit deeper than the other. 8 foot, 3 foot. And then there is the bar over here too, Gator side. There's a couple of umbrellas, I guess. And it goes up to 8 feet in the pool. So definitely deep for the kids. There's a bar if you want to get cocktails, something like that over here. They do have one spot to eat at called Gatorville, so I will show that menu and then the other pool. This little bar here, the Gatorville, they've got breakfast buffet until 11 o'clock. $20 for adults, $10 for children. Pause if you'd like to read the menu, but there's appetizers, burgers, chicken tenders, pizzas, salads, flatbreads, different desserts. The kids menu seemed pretty decent as well. They seem to have a pretty decent variety if you don't want to leave the resort. And I just wanted to show how pretty this little area is. Great for a family photo. And then to the left is the pool and the gym. There's another pool, 3 feet and 5 feet over here.
Look, Mom, it's a rock.
So this one looks good for the kiddos. And the night that we stayed here, the pool was open until 10 p.m. And then there is the hot tub. So they have the 2 pools and the hot tub on the resort property. And then basically we made a full loop because the lobby is to the right. To the left is the fitness center. There were people exercising in there, so I didn't want to use my camera, but it seemed like they had a good amount of exercise equipment. And some of you may know that Wyndham is a timeshare as well as a resort. So when you check in, they may ask if you want to sit through a presentation for a gift card. It may change, I'm not sure, but they did ask us. One of the nights we ended up going over to the AMC and City Walk to see the Haunted Mansion. That was great, super close by. There's even another theater, the Regal, which I think is even closer. And then the kids came back and we swam until it was closing at 10 o'clock. You can see the Star Flyer. And this was a staycation since we do live somewhat close to Orlando, so we did take advantage and just enjoy relaxing in the hotel. And we even brought our Nintendo Switches with us, and they hooked up to both of the TVs so we could play some games together. And this was the view that we had. We had several patios, which was nice to sit outside, especially when it's in the cooler months. I would take advantage of those. Let us know if you've been here or you're interested in going, and I hope that this gave you a good tour of the resort. And a big thank you to Maddie and Lishy for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay epic and subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel and subscribe. And subscribe. Cut!
Click either of these videos for more resorts and hotels in Orlando, Florida. There is a lot to choose from, and decide which one is better for your family. And thank you so much for watching.